naughty dog. Nice clean car. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Amazing. Yep. Right. Prissy, Prissy. It's Prissy. She's grown, isn't she? Did you see the fire back there? Huh. Hey, we were going yesterday too. They had a fire back there. You won't believe it, man. It gutted that thing.
Woo! Ooh! What? Your fire didn't get away, did it?
Well, not while I was here. I'm just not sure.
I don't know. Steve, Chris. I thought about burning mine yesterday. Gee, money. I'd light a match and just the flame off the match would go about 20 feet.
Well, man, I think that's what happened is that, you know, we burned it Saturday, and I watched it and came out here Sunday morning, and it was just, you know, I'm kind of glad it did the way it burned, because at least that way if ever a fire comes up this way, we won't be so subject to the gust of flames.
Wow.
Mr. Moore said it was a good one, boy. It was jumping up 12 feet in the air, man.
Man, oh, man. Who put it out?
They said it took two fire trucks and everything.
Wow. Those kids.
Yeah, that's exactly what Mr. Moore told me. I think I saw some kids run down in there and mess around. Chrissy, get out of there. You have your snoot darker than...
It already is.
Da, da, da.
I can't pick you up getting back like that.
There you go.
Well, you getting ready to go work on something? You got your tools?
No, AW called, said he needed a screwdriver, an oil can, pocket knife, and meat.
I need to go over and tell Mary I'm sorry that I scared them half to death with this fire. Let me go over here and say hello, get them on camera here. Oh, pretty, you is such a sweet thing when you're sleeping.
When you're sleeping.
Just make yourself at home, Christy. All you have to do is look through there. Here, let me see it for a second. I see you, Tiffany. Let me put the date on there. Okay, don't push that red button over there.
Action.
And your trick is not to move it around very much.
Okay, who's in front? Thank you, Papa. John Michael is for you.
You have to wait.
Here. Chelsea. There. Chelsea here. That was from my nanny. And
Hey, we didn't say happy birthday yet.
because it's not time to eat the cake.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. Who's that purple one for?
Yeah, cake and presents is the way it always heard.
Can you open my green one?
Wait after what's on your cake, so if you hold him and still like
He'll definitely give us a different perspective. Make sure you get everybody's face. We don't care about boxes and stuff.
That Tiffany?
Now,
After this for the box.
Is he recording?
Yeah. Yeah.
You are?
Yep.
Move it a little more slowly. People are going to get dizzy on this one. Hey, you forgot somebody.
Huh? Y'all better be good in this film.
We'll try.
What do you have? What do you have? What do you have?
John Michael, you're a little bit close. Why don't you move back here? Sit it on your lap.
yeah, just show you a little bit how.
Oh, nice, Jessica.
Got it?
Don't look in the camera, sir. Okay.
Let's
What are you looking for, Chris?
Jessica,
You
that way.
moved your way in. Oh, neato.
Oh, good.
That'll bring.
Ooh, where's she staying? I can get it on tape.
Yeah, it was supposed to sound clear.
Tiffany, I get the sound on tape. This is from John Michael. And I know what this
Well, go ahead, open it up.
is.
I've heard that song.
David
I know, I was
Cassidy.
thinking the same thing.
Ooh, I got just
1970. That's 21 years old.
That David Cassidy?
Yeah.
Grandma.
Paul had an album, a David Cassidy album, and he had white pants
No,
on.
that was Lee Garrett, but I was looking at those little things right there, and that was about
Lee
the same
Garrett
as
had his
that.
white pants
Ooh,
on.
how nice.
Guess what? I did it.
It has another one on it.
It has a core. It has a nickel in it.
My sister had all the parts of it.
Oh, that one's too easy to get into.
So one of us get a
What is it?
Were you supposed to leave that in?
That one opens too easily.
The baby.
Fix that with
I got you. I got you. Who put another feather? Let's see, who was these are for Grandmama. What did you get, Tiffany?
Open the card.
What did you get? Dime. I got a dime.
Jessica, what I decided to do, there are some little gifts in there, but what I decided to do is just wait until you got all your gifts, and then whatever it is that you didn't get, that you needed or wanted, well then I'll get it.
Oh, got
You
her.
gotta keep the candle still, honey.
Grandmama. Grandmama.
That could be very
You
dangerous.
can hold this while I open my green egg. First.
It should say exactly what.
Grandmama. How do you want a green egg?
It's right here, I saved it for you.
That's supposed to be.
Right in the shoe. Let's see what I got. Oh, quarters. I mean, a nickel. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I got it.
An angel in disguise.
All your little gifts are all color coordinated with your bag. Even if it took Christmas paper, it's color coordinated.
So,
Hey, Mommy. All right. This what you need.
You'll never get lost in
This
the
what
crowd.
you need.
You'll never get,
1970s.
really, retrospect.
My generation.
This is heavy.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, let's see what's in there.
Christmas paper. It's all color
So, Michael, are
coordinated.
you actually filming? Aren't you supposed to hold your hand on the button?
What is it?
No, it
no,
just,
he's done.
Oh.
Because
Oh, look.
Oh,
All from BP.